Hi guys, and welcome back to another really exciting unboxing. I am like electric. I'm so excited for this dress. I could not slap on a coordinate fast enough to film this and get it up because I don't want to open it without filming my reaction. Back in January or early February, Lady Sloth came out with a re-release of their My Spooky Macarons dress, and I have wanted this dress for forever. I had the skirt version for a brief period of time, but it didn't fit me, so I really quickly rehomed it. It was really sad, but I've never been able to get that print out of my mind, and I'm super excited to now have my own brand new copy version of the dress. I'm so excited. So I got the orange and black one. Let's get into it because I can't wait much longer. Let's see. Make sure. Oh my God, it's so pretty. Oh God. So I did order this in January, at the end of January, I think, when they first came out with the re-release or the pre-order. And it is now January, February, March, April. It is now April 21st. So this has been a long time coming. It's so pretty. So I got the 2XL. Oh! So I knew that she sent like little presents and stuff with the orders, and I got a sticker sheet of the Macarons, which I'm gonna be one of those sticker people that can't decide what to put it on because they're so stinking cute. And then I got some of the little postcards. I got like a really cute little black cat. I got her Galaxy Witch series, and I think this is the Paper Menagerie. Oh, it was right. Yeah, this is for the Paper Menagerie. So these are really cute. I'm gonna get these framed because they're gonna go on my wall. There's no ifs, ands, or buts about it. Linda's just gonna have to deal. There's no option about that. I am so excited about this. Oh my God, it's so pretty. Okay, let's get it open. Let's get it out. I can't wait to see it. I was kind of in a weird in-between size spot with the dress, so I wasn't really sure which size to get. So I asked social media, and I also emailed Lady Sloth, but social media got back to me faster. So I do think I ordered the right size, the 2XL. I have like 110, 112 centimeter bust. So I got that plus size life, or that mid-size life going on. Oh, it's so soft, you guys. You guys, look at this. Look at this print. Look at this orange. So this is the second orange dress that I own. I own AP's Horror Candy Shop, which is like a crowning jewel in my wardrobe. And now I own 2 orange dresses, which is insane. Oh my gosh, look at it. It's so pretty. It's got the bats and the ghosts. It says Lady Sloth. The texture is really pretty. And there's pumpkins and crosses in the lace. Oh God, okay, yes, okay. So it's just like the normal, simple bodice. There's not a whole lot going on to it, but it did come with the bat bow that's got like just really cute draping and stuff, and I can't wait to get that on there. It's also got a waist belt that I might use. I'm not usually the kind of person that uses waist ties, but a waist belt I might actually try. At least I'll try not to lose it. I can say that much. Let's try it on. I can't wait. Let's go. All right, you guys. So this dress is absolutely stunning. It is blowing my mind. It fits so perfectly. I was almost a little worried that it was going to be too big, but it's absolutely not. I've paired it with my Angelic Pretty head bow. I kind of wish that I would have gotten the matching head bow, but I think the black works really well. I have a black blouse, but I can't for the life of me find it anywhere. So white works really well, especially with the ghosts and the other macarons in it. It doesn't really bother me at all. I absolutely love that the ghost is like my middle centerpiece right here on the front of the dress. It is so cute. I put the bow on the waist. I might try and put it up here. It seems this is a little like bland or plain, like it needs something, but I don't want to cover up the ghost. So I'm not really sure what I'm gonna do there. I've got wrist cuffs on, and then I've got some white leggings because I couldn't find my black ones, and some black little just Mary Jane type shoes. This is so cute. It fits so well. It breathes really well. It could absolutely handle a fuller petticoat, and hopefully I will have one shortly. We'll see. But yeah, I absolutely love it. It turned out beautiful. Cue montage of me twirling in it. For watching, guys. I post all kinds of J fashion content and daily queer life vlogs. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Bye!